YouTube, what's the deal? This is the Big Face Trucker. It's a little bit noisy, but this is what I'm doing. I got this from a YouTuber friend on my channel, and I went out and brought this piece right here to put the stuff in to connect to the end of this right here. So this is what I'm doing. I just rinsed the soap off most of the truck. It's a real soapy thing. Mr. Soapy is Mr. Soapy for real. So clean it up. I had some issues going on, but just check out the cleaning, and we'll talk later. Polish the rims. I think I'm gonna go professional and pay somebody to do it. I was supposed to go down to Florida today or tomorrow, but we're gonna have a real talk about Convoy, how Convoy did me. And I way back with it. But as you see, I got most of the soap off. Hope I don't get no streaks. I got some more stuff that I went to a cleaning supply place, and they said the stuff that I picked up is actually better than the Blue Beacon. So I soaped the whole truck. You would probably think that it was snowing in Georgia. Yeah. I like to keep my truck clean. I got pulled over this morning. And if anybody knows 285, where I got on the junction up on the 285, I went into not the far left, but the two lanes that trucks are not supposed to be in. And people wouldn't let me over into the slower lane with the trucks. So I rode it. And DeKalb County Police pulled me over. And I explained to him what the deal was. And he explained what I shouldn't do. And he was right. You know, but he's told me in the future, here's a tip. Here's a tip. I want y'all to listen. He said in the future, when that ever happens, nobody don't want to let you over, turn your turn signal on as if you want to come over, and nobody don't let you in. That's fine. Keep rocking. That's what he told me. So that's a tip right there. I put some grease on my fifth wheel. I be giving out mad tips, but that's what I do. This is my journey. My journey right here in trucking. And it is what it is. I like it. It pays the bill and then some. And I don't work hard. So, there you have it. And I don't have to worry about other drivers not doing what they're supposed to do until I take that step. But now, I'm good where I'm at now. I'm definitely good, unless I, acquire some big toys or something like that. Then I have to figure out how to make more money, right? That's usually how it goes. Make more money. I was expecting my hose to come clean, but nothing. I'm gonna change those up. Get rid of those Schneider cheap-ass hose. Trying to put some class into it. As you'll see, I put fog lights on here. Freightliner fog light. You gotta really rinse this stuff off, because if it drips down, it'll definitely leave that streak, like the blue beacon. But what I do want is to get this chassis shining black, like they usually. This side, man. So it's looking, without me having to scrub and everything, it's looking good. Knock all the soap off. So it won't streak. I wish I could get underneath it and clean it. But that's another thing. Between cleaning this truck and polishing the wheels and cleaning the inside out and disinfect it and clean the linen and everything, it's a day's job. So I try not to spend my whole day cleaning the truck. So I'll do a bit now and a bit later on. Some lug covers. I just went out to Florida and go to the tow shop, pick up that stuff, keep the truck looking good. Police officer asked me, "What year's your truck, man?" I said, 2016. Man, it looks real good. Yeah, I take care of it. Looks so good, you ain't got to inspect it. That's how you gotta do it, fellas. Looking good. Get that top again. Get all the soap. Because I'm pretty sure there's soap sitting on top that I gotta rinse off in them. Look at that, soap coming down. So just keep rinsing it. Now that root beer brown is coming out of it. It looks black, but you see the root beer. That's the color right there. With a metal flake in it. I want to get fancy with it, but I want to get the drive line right. I want to get the drive line right, so so the truck don't wind up on the side of the road, broken down. You see that bar underneath, right? Let me tell you, there's a story with that. It's a brand new bar. Checked out my other video about the level of the drive shaft and why Freightliners vibrate so much.